What is up, YouTube? This is Nameless here, bringing another review. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Google Home Hub. Something I've been waiting for a little bit, so let's go ahead and see what's inside of it.
That's my best friend.
Okay, so the Google Home Hub has just been released it's approaching a week now, and we just want to basically, I just picked up one because looking at the competitor ones that's out there, it's a couple reasons why I went with the Google Home Hub instead of the the JBL or the actual Lenovo variant of these two smart screen devices. A couple reasons is, one, it's made by Google, so supportability is going to be more endured with this. So what I mean is just that, kind of like this is more like the Pixel line. So this is more like they're going to support this for a longevity. They're going to just support this for a longer length of time than they would with a Lenovo brand or the JBL variant of them. Also, with the JBL and the Lenovo brand, you also get a camera option, which is kind of cool, but you do not get one on here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside here real quick. So, get out my pocket knife here. Okay, so inside it looks like we have your actual Google Home hub. So it's a 7-inch screen. I went with the actual, not the Choco line, but it's I forgot the color of it, but it's more of their lighter line. And on the back we have a volume control button. And we have mute for the microphone itself. It won't mute the actual device, but it'll actually mute the microphone itself on a device, so you can limit the smart commands to actually trigger and trigger the actual device to start searching. So it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a bigger screen, especially the way that Google actually had in their conference was actually showing it. It looks like it was more amplified, it was more bigger. What else is in the box though? So looks like you got some paperwork here, and you also have your charging brick. Let's see if it's USB-C. So it's not USB-C, it's actually the classic traditional charging brick, and it actually has the Google symbols on it, so you know that it's actual Google line. Other than that, that's actually it that's in the box. So what I'm going to do is, obviously I'm going to work with this one for a week and see if it's even worth it, to give my honest opinion and feedback on it. I have a couple Google home devices in the house at this point in time, and adding this is more like an enhancement. I want to see the cool features that I can actually get and do with this. It's basically like a Google Home with a screen attached to it, so you get to actually get results back. I used to use my Google Home for recipes and finding the nearest like restaurant or something I was looking for, and those things came in handy, but you couldn't visually see them. So this would be kind of cool for you to be actually make calls on and make a call from it, but you can actually see other search results that's actually in it, see your recipe steps, and actually control stuff. So I have a lot of smart devices in here, whether it be door locks and Chromecast and smart lights. So the smart lights is another feature too that'll allow you to do. Also the thermostat. So I have a Nest thermostat and a Nest camera. So all those things are going to tie in together, and I'm going to be able to control it and view a lot of those devices from this device right here. So I'm going to get into that in a later video. But for right now, I just wanted to unbox it and show you guys what's actually in it. Like I said, it's pretty much empty. You got a charging brick, you have the device itself, and like I said, I'll bring a more detailed review on what I like about it, what I dislike about it. But right now, it's a lot smaller than I expected. It's still nice. It's a pretty premium material right now, but I'm going to come with more of a full review on it, and we can talk about speaker sound and display and other features that I might have found that was interesting and cool in it. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later.